Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 18th, 2025, we're diving into Apple, ticker Apple, to analyze the news and the charts and try to figure out what to expect next. Apple's facing a mixed bag of news, including some favorable legal rulings and optimistic analyst commentary offset by worries over AI and a consumer lawsuit regarding iCloud. The stock closed yesterday at $195.64, down 1.4%, trading near its 52-week low and below its 200-day moving average. Let's see what the charts can tell us. To begin, we're looking at the one-day chart. Notice the downtrend from March into April, followed by some recovery attempts, but ultimately failing to break above $220, which is acting as a pretty clear resistance level. Looking closely at the recent candles, especially in June, we can see the price has fallen from the $220 resistance. The price recently dipped heavily in early April as concerns over a ruling, then had a large recovery. We're now potentially coming down to test the old level again. If we fail to break $220 on the next rally, we may fall to test the support level around $170, last seen in March 2024. Now let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better picture of recent price action. On the hourly chart, we see the price has ranged from about $197 to around $204 during the last couple weeks of May. Now in June, we've pulled all the way back down to test the support around $195. Now let's switch to the 15-minute chart for an even closer look at the most recent price movements. The 15-minute chart reveals a fairly choppy trading pattern. There doesn't seem to be a strong trend in either direction. Recent support appears to be around $195.20, while resistance is around $198.50. Based on the news and the chart action, it's difficult to be strongly bullish on Apple in the short term. The mixed analyst ratings and concerns about AI development suggest caution. However, if Apple can successfully navigate the AI landscape and the iPhone 17 launch is a hit, the stock could see a significant upside. A break above $220, reinforced by positive news, would signal a bullish trend. For now, $170 remains a long-term downside target, while $220 remains a long-term upside target. Watch for increasing volume on rallies to confirm the upside, and be careful about potential stop-loss hunting if we're heading towards $170, as the liquidity is likely to be very high there.